It doesn't take years for you to change the your financial life.
It's more about you start feeling like you're now being known as a brand. You're now being known as a face.
Say you light a candle and the candle lights another candle, and that's how it becomes a firestorm.
My name is Ravi Arya, father of two girls, six dogs, husband to a superwoman, a street car racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, and founder of Internet Moguls. And I'm going to be teaching you something very interesting.
So Nishu, thank you very much for joining us on this series where we are talking mostly about no fear.
Mhm.
So you are somebody who, like most of us, went through the pandemic, and we all have had certain uncertainties in life, which have been sort of doesn't allow us to see very far in the future. So tell us about your journeys, before you started learning digital marketing and now in the last few months, from where you were and what you're feeling, and where you are today, what you're feeling, and where you want to be and what you want to feel.
Yes. Shirley, firstly, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Let me start by giving you a brief introduction. This is what we've always learned through your videos. This is what you've
Sure.
always told us. So I'm Nishu Tripathi, a mother of two. I'm a daughter of an armed forces person, an MBA from IMT Ghaziabad with over 20 years of experience in marketing and human resources. I'm a professional who has eventually turned a recruitment consultant and mentor. Currently the managing partner, Quest for Crest Recruitments. So during this lockdown period is when I actually realized that there was something additionally which was required from my end to make sure that I'm enhancing my capabilities as a recruitment specialist.
Sure.
Quest is the name of my organization, and we are doing fairly well. Of course, during lockdown period, probably we had more time in hand to actually evaluate ourselves and do something better for ourselves. That's when I actually joined your course, and I saw one of those videos, and I decided to join your course. I realized that digitally we were probably not so visible, as Quest for Crest. I just thought I'd take on this, challenge. I started, doing a course. I realized the power of digital marketing. I started making videos. I just started randomly making videos. And, today when I look at my first video, which I made 2.5 months ago, I think it was the most pathetic video ever. But, but I learned to step by step after, it's been now 3 months. The first thing which I learned from you was making videos and expressing your opinions in the form of videos, whether it was in my work, whether it was approaching clients through videos, whether it was starting my own channels on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, which I've recently launched. I found that videos are very powerful, and this is the best way to interact with people and put across what you have to say to them. So I started doing that, and till date I think there's not been one day that I've not posted videos. It's been 3 months. If you
Wow.
scroll through all my channels, I think I've been posting one video at least every day, even if
Excellent.
even if it's a edited version of a live session which you again taught
Yeah.
us that I've done this. Besides that, there's one thing more which I continued doing because I loved interacting with people, and I realized that when I'm interacting, I'm understanding so much more from job
Sure.
seekers. As a recruitment consultant, you need to understand what even the job seekers are expecting from them. And I also realized that there was a huge gap between what the job seekers were expecting from recruitment consultants and HRs of various organizations.
Right.
While I was doing these videos, I started doing the live sessions of live Q&A. And yet again, it's been 3 months. I don't think there has been 1 week where I've not done a live Q&A with them.
Fantastic.
I'm doing continuously, as of now, 2 live Q&As every week. If you again scroll through my Insta, I'm in non-stop, no matter what. I mean, chahe kuch bhi ho jaye, that's what you told us, and I continue
Right.
doing that. I follow a few things of yours so religiously, something like you said that the more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in war.
Right.
Continuously doing that. Now, after that, meanwhile, I realized, like I was talking about this gap. So there came a thought in my mind that actually job seekers, I don't understand exactly what is expected out of them. So
Right.
I thought, and those days you were coming up with this process of, talking to us about how you can launch your own course online through Thinkific. So then I took on that course of yours, and I, through my videos, made another course, which is a 28 days challenge on how job seekers can make themselves visible to such hiring companies.
Sure.
So through this, I started doing my webinars. It was a lot of hard work. We put in a lot of effort, there's no doubt.
Sure.
I did about, I think, very successfully 3 or 4 webinars, and I have, as of today, 10 students. I had 8, but I have now, through only my, through my contacts, I have 10 students. And through these webinars, some major issue happened in my Facebook. So I was really bogged down because of that. My Facebook is completely blocked. We are trying to solve the issue. I've hired a professional as well. But meanwhile, because all of this happened, I also thought maybe let me just still keep moving forward and not, take a back step.
Sure.
I decided I should now, my next step is, I first initially launched a book. So this entire, whatever I was actually talking on the webinar, I in fact converted that in the form of a book. Because मुझे लगा मैं webinar पे तो लोगों को नहीं बता पा रही because there's no Facebook. Let me make into a book and talk to everybody about what my course is all about. So whatever my course inculcates, gives across to people, I've put this in a book, and now I distribute my book. I launched my book on a live Q&A session, and I gave some free distribution to people. I got a lot of good response. I have sold, not many, because again, my Facebook ads are not working, but around, I think, 20 odd books is what I've sold. Meanwhile, in my work, I think I progressed a lot. I got a lot of support through my videos. My clients are noticing me online, my family, friends, your entire group. People are joining my course by seeing my videos. People are buying my books by seeing my videos. As a recruitment consultant, I've got, I think, a lot of business through this. I got a training, an entire training plan from a big MNC for 3 months for approximately 5 lakh rupees. We are
big congratulations to you and your team for closing that.
Thank you. We are really hoping, and I'm, I think, very positive that we're going to make this an yearly contract. This was, for 3 months we got, and we are now, in fact, now the market is also gradually opening us. People are noticing us much more. So I'm really expecting much more things happening in 2021. So now it's just been 3 months. I think there's a lot to happen and a lot more to do. So I'm very excited about this coming year as well. So, so this was the entire thing. Now, my new focus is also YouTube, because till the time my Facebook ads get resolved. So now I'm learning through your videos and how I can actually, make YouTube a better, channel. I also heard about what you had taught and trying to implement all of that. So now my new focus is that, and I'm going to try and promote my book, maybe write another book, and so on and so forth. So and also, not to mention, I do a lot of mentoring, because through my videos there are a lot of people who connect with me for mentoring sessions. So in the evenings, my evenings are chock-a-block back to back. I have 1 hour mentoring sessions with job seekers who pay me, of course, for this. I had some very senior students who also have asked me mentoring. They were like, even you'll be surprised, there were army officers, there were people from abroad. There are lots of people who took my mentoring session. So I'm feeling really very nice, excited about this entire new venture that I've taken up, because it's more about, you start feeling like you're now being known as a brand, you're now being known as a face, and this is something which I always wanted. So that was the entire, like a summary of my entire journey so far.
Excellent. I just want you to ask you one more last question for our audience. See, I love your story, because you always say that I'm a daughter of an armed forces personnel, and I'm a grandson of an armed forces person, and so it obviously makes a connection. It tells you who you are, where you're coming from. So there are many people, Nishu, who are going through a lot of fear today, a lot of anxiety, and that cripples them. When it cripples them to an extent, they're not even to take the first step.
Correct.
Even in our own programs, we see a lot of people coming in, working hard, but not really posting their videos on an everyday basis. So I know you posted those videos, then you took the Thinkific course, you launched the course, you took the webinar course, you did your webinars. Whatever you start, you finish. Is that a mindset that you've always had?
Okay, yes, there has been a lot of ups and downs. I think we all go through that, wherein because you're so stuck up in your work. So I have a very stressful day at work, because my work finishes by till about 5:30, 6:30 in the evening. Sometimes it really extends, because that's how it is. And I have to do this part of the work only after around 7:30 in the evening. Then then I'm also a mother. I also have to take care of my kids. They have their exams and all of that. There are a lot of factors which are pulling you back. but it's always the motivation. And I think also when I see your videos I get really inspired and I say ki nahi main kar sakti hu. So it's just something which I think it's you which really force us a lot and push us a lot ki nahi karna hai. So I just want to just keep doing it. One more person I always thank in my life is my father. So my father is always my mentor, my guru, and every time that I'm feeling a little low, pulled back, the only thing I do is I call up my father.
Right.
He's always been pushing me and pulling me, and I think that these are the two things which have really kept me going always. So
That's fantastic. And now, like they say, you light a candle and the candle lights another candle, and that's how it becomes a firestorm. And so that's what's happening. That's why we wanted to talk to you and interview you, because you are doing things regularly, and the new people who are coming into the batch are looking at what you're doing, and we share your story of being able to make 5 lakh rupees by doing this video and growing your business. And I'm happy to know also getting consulting assignments in the evening meant for your mentoring sessions. And so it allows other people to say, you know what, it's possible. And when you just said that 2.5 months back you made your first video, it also goes to show it doesn't take years for you to change your financial life. If you do something consistently, it can happen in a shorter period of time as well.
absolutely.
Yesterday I was talking to somebody who says, कितना time लगेगा मेरे को अपनी life बदलने में? I said, आपको in a period of 100 days, people do see serious transformation in anything that they do in life. 100 दिन में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है.
Correct.
And but 100 दिन की motivation happens only when you're part of a community of people when you go down, somebody else picks you up and all of that.
Yeah.
So thank you for being one of the torch bearers in our
Thank you.
community of somebody who's doing something and inspiring others. And we wish you, I'm pretty certain you'll turn your 5 lakh rupees into a yearly contract. And I'm very happy to know that you're charging for your evening sessions, because it has to be an exchange of energy, and money is energy. So if
Yeah.
you're helping somebody in the evenings, and I would only suggest, as time goes, keep upping your price, because you want to take care of your time, and the value that we provide in the marketplace has to be, I would say, minimum 10% of what I can do. So if I can get you a 24 lakh rupee job, then I think my help to you should be at least 24,000 rupees. So and overseas, if people from overseas are coming to you, for them to be able to pay $400, $300 for a 90-minute session is very, very, very nominal. Yeah. So so I would say have an evening. I used to do this some time back. Say that my evening is blocked for $1,000, which means I can do either 2 calls in $1,000 or 3 calls or whatever, but I have to book my calls for $1,000. And I used to run Facebook ads for consulting as well, and people used to pay $250 and for a 1-hour session. I always took the 1-hour session and made it 90 minutes or 1.5 or more, so I add more value. And then at the end of the session, people used to book a package of 3 or 4 more sessions at every given time. It obviously became very hectic after some time, but initially it's good fun if you can put in 3 hours to say my $1,000 is going to come from just 9 to 12 when everybody at home has gone to sleep, and I'm talking to people overseas.
In fact, just before we are ending this, I really want to thank you, because I think you've really shown me the light. What I learned in MBA was like 20 years ago was so outdated, and obviously marketing's completely changed, and I really needed to just open up my eyes, which I actually landed up opening during this lockdown. And so really thanks to you for showing us the light. And like I always say, I'm going to keep following your videos, keep following what you're doing, and keep marching behind you the way you show us the light.
Awesome. That is so good to hear. And thank you so much for this short 20-minute session, which we are calling No Fear, by which other people who are coming in are watching these videos and saying, you know what, if Nishu can do it, I can do it too. So thank you very much for inspiring people, and I look forward to talking to you more often.
Sure, Ravi. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.